Alright, hey guys, it's me. I'm going to be making a bike check, but before I even start, if you were subbed to my channel called Sunday Funday AM 2010, I'd really appreciate it if you would go and sub to this channel instead, because my other one got hacked, but I could still put videos on, but like my email got hacked for that account. So yeah. Also, you could follow me on Twitter right there. And yeah, so my barns are KINK barns. They're really good. I haven't really scratched them up yet because like the weather's really shitty. I got animal EDWIN grips. Everybody says that they're like for black people or something. They say it's a black company, but they're really comfortable. They're not really as wide as I would like them to be, so I might just stretch them or something. But yeah, I got Stranger Haze bars. They are, on the site it says 8.69 rise. They're actually 875, 29 wide, 1 degree up sweep, 11 degrees back sweep. They're 1.78 pounds, which is not bad. I got the premium sub 10 stem. I'm getting a new stem soon. I was checking the Primo Annihilator, but the version 1 is discontinued, and I don't really like the version 2 because it's heavier. I got the ODYSSEY 4th bolt. I got the ODYSSEY headset, ODYSSEY Director fork, and the ODYSSEY VANDERO 2 front hub. The funny thing is that everybody says my wheel set's like $100. Hazard Light VANDERO 3/8 36 hole, $219.95 plus tax. So there. That's my front wheel. My back wheel is $359.95. So yeah, ODYSSEY spokes, ODYSSEY Hazard Light rim, and I got ODYSSEY P-LYTE 20 by 235. ODYSSEY Gary Young AM frame. The geometry of it is 13. It's 20.5 top tube, 75 angle head of the head tube, 71 for seat stay, and 11.5 BB height, and 13.25 for the chain stays. Yeah. So it's okay, I guess. Premium SimPC pedals with some stock cranks. They're rusting. I'm gonna have to sand them again. Proper MAGNALITE sprocket. I got the Sunday seat clamp, the stock bottom bracket. I got the cam seat chain. It sucks balls and I can't tighten it like tight enough because it gets loose or my hub screws up. But yeah, I'm gonna have to like change the bearings or something in it. The rear tire is a Fly Ruben. Never get this tire. It's bald. I've probably ridden it for like a month or something, because due to shitty weather and because I do skateboard, so sometimes I stop biking for a while, then I continue biking. I got a McNeil post and We the People Bel Air seat. It's actually really sick. I got the ODYSSEY rear wheel and the ODYSSEY V3 cassette hub. But yeah, go on WeBMF. Go here. Shoutouts to Marcus, P-LYTE, and me, and James, and devo. There is shout outs to James again. Go join all these groups. We BMX on YouTube. We ride Nil Kids bike. We BMX on YouTube. This again James. Stuff like that. But yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Hope you like my bike. And yeah, so this is pretty much what it is. This seat is like a mid-fat, but it's actually really nice. And I'm gonna go right now. So yeah, bye.